About yourself?
Yeah, myself Harshvardhan. I have completed my HSC and SSC from the Mumbai board, and I completed my automobile engineering in diploma from Hindustan College, which is currently located at Chennai, and I pursued my computer science engineering from the Savita College of Engineering, which is also situated in Chennai.
Okay. Why do you want this job?
It was my dream to work in a multinational company. As a company is a multinational level dealings, so I am interested in this job.
So, were you fired from your previous company?
I was not fired. I myself I gave resignation because the salary was less for me.
Okay. What are your greatest strengths?
My greatest strengths are in coding language. I think my coding language are my strengths.
Okay. What was your salary in the previous company?
My salary was like 45 to 48K in the previous company.
Okay. What motivates you to join this company?
As I told you, your company is a multinational company. So last company was like a small scale industry. So I want to take a bigger step and I want to go to multinational company and join your company.
Okay. Do you have like a dream job?
Yeah, I don't have a kind of dream job, but I have a dream to start up my own company for for in a software field and do freelancing and do some small businesses. But it should be my own company.
Okay. So, do you have any questions for us?
Yeah, what will be your salary?
It depends on your coding skills, and after that only we can tell you about your salary and things.
Okay. So what
You
will
can
be?
ask me questions.
So okay. From now I am your interviewer and your interview.
Yeah.
Myself Harshvardhan C from a CSE department. I am an interviewer of Harshvardhan R from also CSE department. Let's start. Hello Harshvardhan. Can you
Hello,
tell
sir.
me about yourself?
My name is Harshvardhan R, and I did my BE in Computer Science in Savita Engineering College.
Okay.
It's located in Chennai,
Okay.
and I like coding and stuff and making apps for any company so that I can be a part of a big company.
Okay.
So that's it.
Why do you think you are suitable for this job?
Because most of people think that coding is like a headache for them.
Okay.
So for me, coding is my passion. So I enjoy doing this job particularly.
Okay.
So I chose this thing.
Okay. And what are your hobbies? Hello. Hello. I can't hear you. What are your hobbies?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, like my hobby is to travel
Ah.
and study books.
Okay.
Books like based on Python, web coding,
Okay.
web management, and Android development. Like that, I used to study.
Can I ask you which is your favorite game?
So games has been developed so much. So I like multiplayer games in particular.
Okay.
So my current favorite game is Fortnite, and I play whole day.
Okay. Good. And can I ask you what is a dream job?
My dream job, it's like I don't have any particular dream job. I want to work in a big company, and I just want to see how the company works, and that's it. I don't have any particular dream job. I want to host a company in IT field.
Okay. Good. And where do you see yourself in 5 years in our company? In which
In
post
five
do you
years,
see?
I want to see myself as a manager for this company, managing everything,
Okay.
like everything. I want to be the manager alone.
Okay, good. What are you expecting your salary in the 5 years?
I'm expecting around 1 to 1.2 lakhs, but my work will also be like very perfect. So you can trust me.
Okay. And last question.
Yes.
What salary are you expecting in our company for the current job?
For the current job, I'm expecting around 90K.
Okay, it's good. Okay, let's end this session. Thank you. I'll let
Thank
you
you.
soon know about the details of your interview.
Okay, sir.
Okay.